In this video, I'm about to show you how to easily learn Russian in Memrise. Learning Russian on Memrise is simple and effective. Start by signing up for Memrise using your email or connect through Facebook or Google. After creating an account, explore the Russian courses available and pick one that suits your level, whether you're a beginner or already have some experience. Memrise uses spaced repetition and interactive exercises to reinforce what you learn. As you go through the course, you'll encounter vocabulary, phrases, and pronunciation guides to help improve your skills. Make it a habit to practice daily, even if just for a few minutes. Memrise will remind you to review words and phrases, which will help you retain them better. For added convenience, download the Memrise app, which allows you to study Russian on the go. The app even works offline, so you can learn anytime, anywhere. Joining the Memrise community is also helpful. You can connect with other learners, exchange tips, and stay motivated. While Memrise is great for building vocabulary, consider using additional resources like language exchange partners, Russian podcasts, or movies to enhance your speaking and listening skills. By following these steps, you'll find learning Russian on Memrise both enjoyable and effective. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.